always chasing the thrills, getting in fights, getting kills. I play around real rough, I need a powder or pills. Picked up for fun in the streets, well fuck to pay my receipts, but it's still not enough, and so the cycle repeats. But I can let it all go on camera or at a show, so all the sinners and the monsters, yeah, they're all gonna know that I don't take walks of shame when everyone knows my name. I've been around here long enough to know the rules of the game. I fought my inner demons every which way, but they're not interested in leaving me, so it means I'll stay. I'm like a fire that could burn it down to the ground, and there'll be nothing left but ashes if you let me come down. So you better use me up, make the most of your time, and I can guarantee you'll always wanna cross that line. So get your money and your bodies and a drink or three. No backing out or you'll see why you shouldn't mess with me. Go ahead and use me up. Feeling all worked up and hot, I'll drop it down real low and tie the stomachs and nuts. I know they're all watching me, I'm what they came here to see, but get up until you fall at my feet. Come pin me down on my back, I want you on the attack. Don't give a damn about how you wanna do me, it's just a fact. I've got a quota to fill, and small talk don't pay the bills. Swear I don't even miss the pleasure I can no longer feel. I fight against the system every day, but it ain't interested in leaving me alone anyway. It's like a fire that keeps burning me but gets me well. That's why I've never tried to break the lock on my prison cell. Might as well just use me up, make the most of my time. I'll be a toy, a brawler, anything you need for a dime. It's what I'm good at and it's all I really know how to do. No second chances down here.